The future is already here. Nowadays, playing games without earning money is considered quite outdated. However, many people are not familiar with the basic principles of the cryptocurrency world and working with wallets. If you're unsure about how to play and earn money, don't worry. We'll explain how to take the first steps, specifically creating a cryptocurrency wallet and registering on the GGWP website. First and foremost, you need to download an extension and create your blockchain address within it. We'll demonstrate using the Petra Wallet as an example. Download the Petra Wallet extension from the official Petra website. Be cautious to avoid phishing attempts. For your safety, we will provide all the necessary links in the video description. Click the Add to Browser button. Click on Add to Chrome. In the pop-up window, click Add Extension. The extension has been added to your browser to facilitate your work. Let's spin it to the browser's extension toolbar for easier access. To do this, click on the puzzle icon and then click on the pin icon. Petra Wallet icon is pinned, click on it. Let's proceed directly to creating a wallet. To do this, click on Create New Wallet. Please come up with a secure password and confirm it. Also, make sure to check the box to confirm your agreement with the terms of use. Then click on Continue. Now you need to write down your secret recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. Keep in mind that no one else should have access to this phrase. Anyone with this phrase can gain access to your wallet and, consequently, the cryptocurrency stored in it. Click on the specified area to reveal your seed phrase. Please save your seed phrase and click Continue. Now you need to enter all the words from your recovery phrase in the correct order to confirm that you have indeed saved it. Enter the words and click Continue. Then in the pop-up window, click Done. Congratulations! Your wallet has been created and is ready to use. Let's register on the GGWP website using Petra Wallet. To do this, go to the website GGWP.WORLD and click on Login, then select Login with Petra. In the pop-up window, click Approve. Great job! You have successfully registered on the website using your cryptocurrency wallet. It's much easier than it seemed at first, isn't it? You can use the wallet in the Aptos testnet. To do this, you need to switch to the testnet in the wallet settings. Click on the wallet icon, then select Settings, followed by Network. Choose the testnet network option. You have switched to the testnet and can now send test tokens. In the next video, we will demonstrate how to work with the mainnet using real cryptocurrency. We will show you how to register on a centralized exchange, deposit funds, purchase cryptocurrency, and withdraw it to your wallet. It will be both interesting and informative, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.